If your diet looks like a garden, you're a health warrior. Or are you? Let's dig deeper. A plant-based diet, it's all the rage, but is it really the golden ticket to a healthier you? Plant-based diets focus on fruits, veggies, grains, and legumes, reducing or eliminating animal products. Sounds pretty green and clean, right? But what's the real impact? For many, it can lead to significant weight loss and improved overall health. Lower cholesterol, better heart health, and even reduced cancer risks are all potential perks. However, it's not for everyone. Some people might struggle with nutrient deficiencies like B12, iron, and omega-3s. Others might find it challenging to get enough protein. So, is a plant-based diet the right choice for you? Drop your questions in the comments, hit that subscribe button, and like and share for more eye-opening videos. Stay healthy, stay informed.